In a bowl, add 100 milliliters of warm milk, 8 grams of dried yeast, 10 grams of vanilla sugar, pinch of salt, ,60 grams of sugar, 70 grams of oil, 2 eggs, 100 grams of sour cream, ,500 grams of flour, cover it and let it rest for an hour in a warm place. In my bowl I have 500 grams of cottage cheese. Add an egg yolk, 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, 80 grams of sugar, ,50 grams of apricot, let it rest for 15 minutes. Bake it in a preheated oven on 180 degrees for 17 minutes. And here is the final product. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we post a new video. See you in my next one. Bye!